AUDUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about Australian dollar against US dollar. Also this analysis can be used for nzdusd as well because I don't record separate videos for nzdusd. So if you trade nzdusd, use the same analysis which I'm doing right now for AUDUSD. And before we start the video, if you're new to the channel and if you want to subscribe, then click on subscribe, like, do all of that. Below the video you'll find some links. Join Telegram, join the brokers. So do all of that, check out the link here. And now coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. So weekly, what we have in AUDUSD. So this was like 2 weeks before, or maybe now 3 weeks now. So this red candle was the engulfing, the rejection, and then most probably we might continue going up. So weekly doesn't give us any clear picture what's happening tomorrow. So let's come back to daily for that. Now in daily, we started a new downtrend. This looks like a pullback, then engulfing, and then I think we are going to go down as per my understanding, okay? So if you talk about the setup, the price action, which I see right now in front of me, this high is never broken, okay? So this was your last new high. Then we had the downtrend in daily, and then we have taken the pullback. I think it's maybe 50% pullback here, and then engulfing candle. So we are supposed to continue going down. So if you are a swing trader looking for long setup, I think this should be your perfect setup. And as soon you see a red candle, it should go down, maybe go down on Monday, okay? So downtrend, pullback, we will continue down. Coming back to 4 hour, in 4 hour, I think we have the same setup here, new downtrend, pullback, and then we can continue going down. Also, I think dollar had been in the downtrend for last maybe 10 days. Okay, so last 7 days, 10 days, dollar has been going down. It's time for dollar to take a pullback or continue going up. Okay, so in both the cases, when dollar is going to go up, other pairs will go down eventually. So as per the setup, downtrend, pullback, go down again. Same for 4 hour, same for USD. So just go ahead and trade according to the setup here. Look for shorts in AUDUSD for the time being, and if you like what you see, then subscribe and join the Telegram if you want. Check out the brokers, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.